Now with question 7. And question 7 here says two angles of a triangle are 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Sketch the triangle. Show the exterior angles of the triangle and their sizes. Okay, let's start right now with sketching the triangle. They didn't tell us about the length of any of the sides. So you have to start with drawing a side randomly with any size. So I'm going to start with this. I already drew a side over here. This is going to be the base of my triangle. After that, they said 45 degrees. So just a second. I'm going to take my protractor and I'm going to draw the 45 degrees from any point that you want, putting at the center of the protractor over here at this vertex and measuring, looking at the zero, starting from here. I put this zero on this side. I put this zero because I have another zero, but I'm not using it. I'm using this zero that I put already on the side. And I start counting from this zero until I reach 45. You plot it over there. Then you take this lovely protractor and you put it on the other vertex. But before doing that, it is okay. Feel free that you can start connecting the point to draw the first. Here is the first. Here you go. The first angle, which is 45 degrees. All right, let's continue. I'm going to take this and put the center of the protractor on the other vertex. And now I'm using this zero. I put this zero on the side, so I start counting until I reach 60. Here you go. Here is my 60. I plot it, and then I draw until I connect with the other side. Here you go. So this one, now I'm going to put my protractor and the ruler away. We found that this is 45. We already know that this is 45 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So what is the third angle? 60 plus 45 is 105. Minus 105 from 180, you're going to find that this is 75 degrees. Good. Now, how can we get this way? I already sketched the triangle, but they want the size of the exterior angles of the triangle. What do you mean, Mr. Exterior angle? It means that you can, each of the three sides, you extend them in one direction. So here, this angle has an exterior one. I extended this side in order to get this exterior angle, and we found that it is this one that we're talking about. This is one of the three exterior angles, which is going to be what? How many degrees? Well, mister, they form a straight angle. They form 180 degrees, a semicircle. So this is definitely 105. You add them up, they will give you exactly 180 degrees. And then I have to go to the other side over here, this one, this side, and I stretch it this way. This way, I'm going to get the exterior angle of the 60, which is going to be 120 degrees. As you see here, interior plus exterior, they always add up to 180 degrees. What about the third angle, mister? No problem, get the exterior of the third angle in any way that you want. I'm going to get it this way. Here you go. Extend this line. This is going to give me 135 degrees. This is the third exterior. So we've got three exteriors, 105, 120, 135. One of the students might ask me, Mister, what if I decided not to extend the line this direction? I decided to keep this as it is, and I decided to extend this one instead. You see, this one here, no problem at all. It's the same thing exactly, and it's going to be correct. 135 degrees as well. but this would be the exterior angle, not this. So that would be also correct. Another person might say, Mister, I want to extend this line. No, I want to extend this line. Fine, extend it. And this way, this is going to be the 105, and so on. So the most important thing is that you get the exterior of each angle. However, you're going to extend the line, it is totally up to you. The most important thing is that you form a straight angle with the exterior. That's it. All right, let's get back to the book. Question 8. Work out the values of x, y, and z. Well, if you noticed, I have over here a big triangle. You see the big triangle over here? Here you go. Here is the big triangle. An angle is 68, so the other angle is 73. What is the third angle? So it's 180, mister, minus 68 plus 73 is going to give me the y. So y equals what? 180 minus, this is going to be exactly 141 equals 39 degrees. So y is 39 degrees. All right. Now, about the x. Mr. I know that all of this is a straight angle. So they add up to 180 degrees. So x equals 180 minus 85, which is 95 degrees. So this is going to be x. X is 85. Sorry, 95. 95. Okay, mister, how can I find z? Well, this is a quadrilateral. You see the quadrilateral over here? This four-sided shape inside the triangle? The four angles add up to 360 degrees. So to find z, you must say 360, which is the sum of the four angles, but I'm going to minus from them the 95 and the 68 and the 73. So let's do that. All right, I have no space right now in order to do the calculations, so I'm going to get out my calculator. I got 360 minus, come on, a little bit faster, please. Here we go. 360 minus, we got 95 plus 68 plus 73, close the brackets. This is going to give me exactly 124. 124. Now, we found the size of all the angles. Question 9. Okay, y. How can we find y? Well, Mr. Y is actually 180 degrees because this is the big triangle. Look at this. This triangle is 180 degrees. But there are two angles that are known in it. I have this right angle, which is 90 plus 60. So you're going to find that y equals 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. So y is 30 degrees. Okay, but you see this triangle over here? You see it? This triangle will help you find z. Z equals 180 minus 40 plus 60, which is 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. So z is 80 degrees. What about x, semester? I know that this is 90, so definitely that's a straight angle, right? So definitely this is also 90. So how can I find x? X is 180 because this is a small triangle. You see this small triangle? 180 degrees as well. Minus 90 plus 40, which is equal to what? You're going to find 180 minus 130, which is 50 degrees exactly. So x is 50 degrees. 50 plus 40 is 90, plus the other 90 over there is 180 degrees. Now I got X, Y, and Z. Let me erase this to be able to answer the coming question. Here we go. Okay, work out the value of A. Explain your method. Well, I'm gonna find, so you can write here, I'm gonna find the angles of the quadrilateral. I will find A through the quadrilateral. That's what you can write just simply. I will find angle A through the quadrilateral. Find this angle because it's a straight angle. So this is what? 180 minus 105, which is going to give you exactly 75 degrees. This one, 53 minus it from 180, it's going to give you exactly 126 degrees. This one here, minus it from 62, you're going to find that it is 118 degrees. So this way I found the three angles, but the fourth is still missing. How can I find it? Mister, I know that the quadrilateral is 360 degrees, so it's 360 minus 75 plus 126 plus 118. This will help you find the missing angle, which is A. So 360, just a second, 360 minus 75, 126, 118 equals 41 degrees exactly. So angle A is 41 degrees. All right. In question 11, it says to you, show that AB and DE are not parallel. Answer of question A, you have to say angle ABC and angle ABC, which is this one, and angle EDC are not alternate interior, which means they are not equal. So DE is not DE and AB are not parallel. I think we could have made it shorter. You can just simply say that angle B and angle D, because you can say it in either three letters, but I want you to keep practicing reading it in three letters because most of you just say angle A, angle B, angle C, but sometimes it doesn't work because they have more, angle B is just bigger than what you want. So that's why I prefer that you practice from now. You keep practicing saying it with three letters, but you can say angle B and angle D are not equal, which means they are not alternate interior angles, which shows that AB and DE are not parallel. All right, what else is there? They want you to show that triangles ABC and CDE have the same angle sizes, the same angle size. Okay, so let me have a look at this triangle with you, both triangles. Just trying first to erase all of that. I wish there could be a faster way to erase, but there isn't, as far as I know. Well, let's find over here. This is 59, right? And this is 122. So what is the size of this angle? This is 122. It makes a straight angle. So it's 180 minus 122. because that's a straight angle. 180 minus 122, you're going to find that it is exactly 58 degrees. And the same thing exactly over here with this angle. It is also 58 degrees. Knowing that this 58 and this is 59, add both of them up, 59 plus 58, minus them from 180 for the third angle of the triangle, you're going to find that it is 63 degrees. The last angle over here as well, if you add 58 and 63 up and you minus them from 180 to find the third angle of the triangle, you're going to find that it is 59 degrees. Doing this, it shows actually that angle A is equal to angle D. And angle, which is both of them are equal to 63 degrees, angle B is equal to angle E. Both of them are equal to 59 degrees. And then you're going to find out that angle BCA is equal to angle ECD, which is these two here. And both of them are equal to 58 degrees. This way you showed that the two triangles have angles of the same size exactly. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in another video.